The Ninja 400 is the perfect beginner bike. I've had mine for a year now, and I'm nowhere close to being bored, and I don't think you will either. This bike has so much to offer. One of the main reasons why is because it is only 370 pounds, which means it is super light. This bike goes. It is quick because it is light. Maneuvering this bike is super easy. I absolutely love turning on this bike. I love handling corners on this bike. It is just an all-around super quick and light bike, okay? Another reason, it is super comfortable. This bike, for a sport bike, is rather upright sitting. Most sports bikes, you're leaning over the tank. Not this one. The Ninja 400, you can sit on it really comfortable, nice and upright, and enjoy a nice cruise. Or if you want to tuck, you can do that too. Whatever riding style fits you, the Ninja 400 will fit your riding style, honestly. Another reason why this bike is perfect for a beginner is it has plenty of power. This is a 400cc motorcycle, but it doesn't feel like it at all. It has plenty of get up. I believe the top speed on this bike is about 120-ish miles an hour. I have not taken it that fast yet. No plans for the future, but I have not used this bike to its full potential. This bike is perfect to learn on. I started out as a brand new rider, having never rode a motorcycle. This was my first bike, and I have been able to progress so much. This bike has been fantastic to me because it's super easy to ride. It is very beginner friendly, and I highly recommend it. In my opinion, the number one reason why this is such a beginner friendly bike is the clutch. The clutch on this motorcycle is super light and it's super easy to use, and I'll show you why. So as we saw there, I just fully let out the clutch, and no stalling, no killing the bike at all, no use of throttle. That's why the Ninja 400 is such a perfect beginner bike. It's because you don't have to give it throttle unless you're going uphill when starting out. And that was my biggest stumbling point riding a motorcycle for the first time at the MSF course, was just not killing it. That's why I love this bike. It is so fun to ride. Like I said before, this is the bike that I started out on. This is the bike that I practiced all my skills on, and I was able to fully understand the motorcycle and how it works and how to maneuver right here on this very bike, which led me to where I am today. And I feel super comfortable while riding, and that's due to my 400. I'm now going to be sharing some clips of me riding my 400. The very first clip is going to be me getting on the freeway, because even though this is a beginner bike, it does have plenty of power to be on the freeway and be a viable option. Awesome, you see, no problems there at all. Now here's going to be a clip of me rev matching all the way down. That's one of the many skills that I learned on this motorcycle, was the downshift rev match, which is a whole lot of fun. Now another skill is turning. So here are some twists and turns on my Ninja 400. what the 400 looks like riding on everyday roads. So here's just a walk around of my 400. I absolutely love it. I do have some aftermarket modifications that I did. I do highly recommend getting an aftermarket exhaust. I personally have the Leo Vince LV10. I absolutely love the way this bike sounds, so I'll start it up for you. I highly recommend the Ninja 400 to anybody looking for a bike. This is my first bike and I absolutely love it. It has been fantastic. I've learned so much on this bike and I feel super comfortable riding motorcycles now. Please subscribe, leave a like and a comment down below. Peace.